Juda berembo jengzal kemi muno mesen diwo itawo Hasteni shenam korbo ya presidensi biskango akuka Swrangchalo Hasteo berina fainai Niti Ayog bodol ni koroksa adong Dr. Bigger Sochot obohana koksaka Swrangchal fungo Hasteni narwai tongthai holnoko kaisonang gugmani koksabo asuk laika aro juda tangnai samung tangnai rok phai manjaka panda chengdrobo eba kok sadrobo no Hasteo sokmane Niti Ayogni Adogrok khakha ya farjaka Niti Ayogni khoroksini bodol Grakshal Sharikni Jorawo Faibani Shalini Bagi Hasteo Puilaborok Hasteni Chief Secretary by Malika Abrijagulo Shanu Jorabo Hasteni Montriokrani Hapangni Tongthainogo Montriokra by Malika Niti Ayogni Adogrok Swrangchalo Niti Ayogni bodol Dilini Bagitisa Haino Hai Lamri Lainai.
Thanks for coming this morning. We have called you early, so that's because we have a modified program today. Yesterday we had detailed discussions with the complete team under the leadership of Chief Secretary, followed by the wisdom of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Saha. One point that emerged was very clear, that if Tripura has to grow, other than the social sector what we have like agriculture, health and education, the major growth driver is industry. And industry has to flourish in this sector. But because of the geographical location of Tripura and various other ecological factors, there are only few specific type of industries that can grow, that can get developed here. And hence it is important that what should be the choice of those industries. So one point that came out very clearly, that Tripura has abundance of the following items: abundance of bamboo, abundance of you have rubber, and you have agar, then you have pineapple, and so on. There are 4 or 5 items which are which are grown in large quantities, and they have huge potential as far as industry is concerned. But because of various reasons, the growth in these 4 sectors has not been very satisfactory. Reasons are of logistics, connectivity, and some ecological reasons also. But despite that, I am very happy to note, and just now you mentioned that there are industries which are coming from the bamboo sector, industries which are already working in the food processing, some are steel industries which are working in that. So that gives us a good picture that there is, despite all these obstacles, there has been significant development of industry in Tripura that has taken place. But our intention is to take it from what it is today to a much higher level, so that the state's GDP, industry contributes significantly. Today, agriculture contributes to the GDP, but industry also has to contribute significantly. So it is important that how do we make it happen? You are all running your industries here. You are experiencing the kind of problems what you have. You are also knowing what kind of facilitation being provided by the government of Tripura. What are the policies of the central government which can be of help to you tomorrow? Because it's not only the state, it's the policy of the central government also helps. What kind of assistance one would be looking forward to. So our intention of today's meeting is to listen to you in detail as to how we can take Tripura to a much higher level of industrialization. That is the purpose. I am here from Niti Ayog. We have assured the Honorable Chief Minister yesterday that Niti Ayog will act as a bridge between the state and the central government, resolving issues which are coming in the way of growth in the development. So we would like you to listen from you, your problems, and then we will try to see what best we can do by modifying either the government policies of the central as well as the state, what kind of assistance can be further augmented, what kind of logistics that can be improved, how do we go about it. We want to listen to your suggestions. So with these few words, I would request that Secretary Sahab can request each one of them to give a brief view. Those who can't speak English, you can talk in Hindi. Only thing is we don't know the local language.